It's tutorial time. This is the crochet version of the high-low temperature blanket, and I will be showing you how to connect a block to the length side of the blanket. You are gonna take your block. We've got January 1st, January 2nd, January 3rd, and January 4th is gonna go here. And so to start, you are gonna put your crochet hook through that bottom outer corner. Here is your Tunisian crochet hook. It is slightly different than a regular crochet hook because it has additional space for loops to go on. You got your hook through that corner. You're going to take the high temperature for January 4th, and you are going to pull it through that corner. And then from there, you are going to chain 16. Okay, so now you've got this long strand connected to your block, and you're gonna do the Tunisian single stitch through the back loop. So now you've done the 16 Tunisian single stitch onto the hook, and then you are gonna pick up 17 loops along this bottom edge, making sure that the first one is right again in that corner where you first started with that slip stitch. The way I'm doing it, if you can see here, I'm going through the edge loop, the two legs, see there? And then I'm just doing a regular loop. And I'm going to do that across the whole bottom of the square. And then you want to count to make sure you have the right amount, which in this case is 33. There we go. We have 33 stitches on the Tunisian hook, and now we're going to do what they call the normal pass back, which in Tunisian crochet is I'm going to just do one chain and then yarn over, pull through 2 until I hit 2 loops left. Okay, there we go. We've got the shape of a square, and with 2 stitches left on the hook, we're going to switch to the low temperature color, yarn over, pull through 2 stitches so that we're ready to start the low temperature row 2.